How to fix Litmatch login error. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, make sure that you have an updated version of the Litmatch application on your device. So for that, just go to the Play Store application and search for Litmatch. And here, as you can see, we have an updated version of the application on my device. So I'm gonna go back and then make a long press on the Litmatch application. Then tap on App Info, and then under App Info you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. So just tap on clear data and you'll be able to clear cache, and if possible you can delete all data as well. Then tap on app permission and make sure that you have toggled on all the required options over here. Right now it's not toggled on, so just make sure that you give that access to all the options required for the application. After doing that, you can just go and log in again and your problem might be solved. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.